Alright, let's talk about one of the wildest gaming mice ever made, because this thing is equal parts nostalgia trip and collector flex. The Razer Boomslang 20th Anniversary Edition is officially the most expensive gaming mouse you can buy in 2026, coming in at a very deliberate price of $1,337. And no, that number isn't random, and it's not really about raw performance either. This mouse exists because of history. Back in 1999, the original Boomslang showed up and completely changed the game. While most mice were stuck at around 400 DPI, Razer dropped a then-insane 2000 DPI sensor and basically kicked off the era of high-precision gaming peripherals as we know them today. Fast forward to 2026, more than 2 decades after Razer officially became a company, and they've brought the Boomslang name back with a modern twist. This isn't a mass-market product by any stretch. Only 1,337 units exist worldwide, and each one comes with its own serial number. That 1,337 number is a wink to old-school internet culture, where elite meant elite gamers, and Razer clearly leaned all the way into that idea. The price matches the number, which makes this mouse feel less like a purchase and more like owning a slice of gaming history. Design-wise, it's instantly recognizable. The snakehead shape from the original Boomslang is still here, and it's fully ambidextrous, so left and right-handed players are both covered. The leather-wrapped buttons add a surprisingly classy touch, and the deep green color paired with the transparent shell just looks fantastic. You can literally see inside the mouse, which is a direct nod to the original translucent Boomslang from the late 90s. On top of that, there are 9 zones of Razer Chroma RGB lighting, creating this slick underglow that really brings the whole thing to life. Of course, this isn't just a pretty display piece. Under the hood, Razer went all out. The Focus Pro 45K optical sensor Gen 2 pushes accuracy up to a ridiculous 45,000 DPI. Pair that with Razer's hyperpolling wireless tech, and you're getting up to an 8,000 Hz polling rate with almost no latency at all. The Gen 4 optical switches are rated for 100 million clicks, so durability definitely isn't a concern. It connects wirelessly using the included Mouse Dock Pro, which also doubles as a charger, and if you really want maximum glide, Razer even throws in glass mouse feet so it slides smoothly on just about any surface. And for collectors, the presentation is honestly half the experience. In the box, you don't just get the mouse. You also get an LED display frame that shows off the internal design, turning the Boomslang into something you can proudly display like a piece of tech art instead of just tossing it on your desk. Pre-orders kicked off in February 2026 and are only available through Razer's website and a handful of select locations. And once those 1,337 units are gone, that's it. So yeah, this isn't a mouse for everyone. But if you're into gaming history, rare hardware, or just love the idea of owning something truly iconic, the Boomslang 20th Anniversary Edition is about as special as it gets.